Hey everyone, so I'm back again with another hair video. This time we are going to use a different brand of hair color box. Before I've been really using L'Oreal all the time, but on this video it's going to be different because we are going to use Garnier. So this one, I got it from Walmart. It's the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color Nourishing Color Cream. And it says here it has triple oils, so it's really good for if you need moisture for your hair. There's avocado, olive, and shea oil. So Ultra Bold Indigo is the color, and even though you have dark bases like I do, it's still going to be very effective because this color is dark in the first place, and it has this little tiny bit of shade of blue. Especially when your hair hits the light, there's going to be a little blue that you will see on your hair. So to me, I don't mind. I really want a kind of color that's really different. As long as it's dark, it's black, or it has like a little bit of blue shade, I really don't mind. So if you're a type of person who's really not interested on having a little blue on your dark hair, then you can skip this video. But if you are looking for something like this, that you want to color your hair something black but with a bit of a spice in there, then keep on watching. We are going to review this hair color box from Garnier. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the contents of this box right here. This is the Garnier Nutrice Cream Developer. We are going to use this, mix it with this one. This is the Nourishing Color Cream. We're also going to add this fruit oil ampule. Everything should be inside the bottle. Mix them all together and you're ready. Everyone, so this is the result of that color box, and just in case you are wondering, the exact name of that box that we use is the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color Nourishing Color Cream, and the shade is in Dark Intense Indigo. This retails for $6.99. You can find this box in Target, Ulta, any beauty stores really. This is also available in the Philippines for the Filipinos who are looking for this kind of shade. And by the way, guys, this is permanent color. So I really hope that this stays longer. So far, in my opinion, I really like the color, the way how dark it is, especially on the indoor, guys. It's really dark. It looks like black, to be honest. But if you go outside and light hits your hair, then you will definitely see a shade of blue in there. But it's really beautiful for me. It's really pretty. I really have no issues or problems about the color. I really like it. So what do you think, guys? Did you like this hair color or not? Leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like this video if you want to see more hair colors and updates about this hair of mine. So that's it, guys. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!